How many views do you need to get paid on YouTube? To start earning money directly through YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views within the past 90 days. Once you reach either of those, you can apply to YouTube's partner program and monetize your channel.
How do I get paid from YouTube?
1. Advertising revenue. Earn revenue from watch page ads and shorts feed ads. 2. Shopping. Your fans can browse and buy products from your store or products you tag from other brands through the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. Does YouTube pay monthly? Google pays eligible YouTubers in the YouTube Partner Program monthly through AdSense, typically between the 21st and 26th